How to watch Crunchyroll outside US. Watching Crunchyroll outside the US is important for international viewers to access a wide range of anime content that might be geographically restricted in their respective countries. Now, I am from the Philippines, and if you are like me, you cannot access Crunchyroll, then this is the way in order for you to do so. Now, go ahead in Google, and from here, I'm going to go ahead and ask Google. So I'm asking Google's what countries is Crunchyroll available in. So it says here that it is available worldwide, but its full library is only available in the US. So it says here that if you are in Hong Kong, you only have less than 100 titles, but if you are in the US, you have more than 1,000 or almost 1,000 titles to consider. That is pretty much a big gap. Now we're going to go ahead and change that one. So now that we know that there is a difference between the titles available in each region, we're going to use a VPN. So go ahead and open your pure VPN for this one. Now, as you can see, we are here in Hong Kong, so we're going to change this one. Again, Hong Kong only has less than 100. So we're going to go back here, we're going to click this globe icon. After clicking on it, we're going to choose the United States. Now click this one here, and then you will be automatically connected. Alright, it says that we are connected in here, and then it is fetching location. So we're just going to wait for this. Alright, there you go. So we are now in Seattle, US. This time, go ahead and open Crunchyroll. Alright, and then go ahead and click the login button in here. And then go ahead and type your email address as well as the password, and go ahead and click the login button. And yep, that is basically how simple it is. After following the steps that I told you, you now have access to 1,000 different titles available in Crunchyroll. So if you are interested in using Pure VPN, go ahead and click the link in the description box or the comment section for you to get started. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.